Out of the barn yesterday, along with these wagons. Smoker! Somebody get 700 on the elevator. 7, 500. Sell on the elevator over here now. Somebody get 500. Somebody get 300 on the elevator. 250. 200 a god. 250. $250 bid. 250. $250 bid. 2 a god. 250. $250 bid. 300. 350. 400. 450. 450. 450. 4 a god. $450 bid. 450. 450. Anybody else? 450. Sold $400. Put it on number 92. 92. Now we got these bale wagons. Tell you what we're going to do. That's right. You be a bidder, be a picker, maybe you want them all. They all got the steel beams underneath of them. Somebody get 2,000 on your choice. Somebody get 2,000 on them. Figure that'd be a good place to start. 2,000, take 1, 2, or 3. 1,500. Gotcha. 1,500. 1,011. Now 12. 1,200. 11's a bid. 1,200. 13. 14. 1,400. 13. 14. 13. A lot of room here. 13 and 14. 1,300 a guy. 1,400. 1,500. 1,600. 16. 15, 16, 17, 18, 1,800, 1,800, 17, 18. 17 got 1,800 got a bid, 18. My way now, 17, 18. 17 got 1,800 got a bid, 18.
Choice.
17, 1,800 got a bid, 18. 17, 18. You're all thinking not going to need any in the spring. That's when they're the highest. I got 1,700. Somebody get 1,800. 17, 18, anybody else? 17, 18, 1,800 got a bid, 18. 17, 1,800 got a bid, 18, 17, 18, 17, 1,800. So, $1,700.92 takes this one right here. 92. All right.
Now you got to sell the good ones.
Joyce again. Yeah. Somebody get 15. 1,000, 11, 12. 1,200, 11 got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 16, 50 help, 16, 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, 17, 17, 50, 1,750, $1,750, 17, 50. So $1,700, number 92 right here. Now we're going to sell the best of the bunch. Somebody get 1,500 here.
Because it's not green, right?
That's right, partially.
Oh.
Somebody give 1,000. How about your man back there, Ryan? Yep. Now 11. 1,000 to God, 1,100. 1,000 bid 11. 1,000 to God, 1,100 down to bid, him on 11. 1,000 bid, 1,100 down to bid, 1,000 bid 11, 1,000, 1,100 down to bid, yes or no, 10, 11. $1,000 bid, 1,100 bid, 10 on 11, 10 on 11, 1,100 bid, 10, 11,000 bid, 1,100 bid, 1,000 bid, 11, 12. You're still out, sir. I got it here. I got 11. You want me to 12? 1,200 back here. 1,200, 1,300, 1,300, 12, 13, 13, 13, 12, 13. So it's $1,200. 110 we saved, 110, 110. Now we're going back here to this 9690. On the field grill. Here's some extra parts for this box.
Stop right in front of me.
Tell you what, this thing hasn't been hurt at all. Somebody give it about 5,000.
Yeah.
5,000 on no till drill. Well, give 3 and let's go. 2, 2,500. 2,000 a bid, 25. 5, 3. 3,000. I got 2,500, 3,000. 3, 35. 35. 35. Now 4. 4,000. 44. 4,000. 4,500. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000 did. I'm 4,500 here. 5,000.
All new feeder gears.
All new feeder gears. 48 now 5. 55, 52, 55, 57, 57, now 6, 6,200, 6,200, 6,000 a bid, 62. I'm bid 6,000, 6,200 out of bid, 6,000 bid 62, 6,000 I got, 6,200 out of bid, 65, 67, 6,700, 67,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,200. 7,200, 7,000 a bid, 72, 7,000 a god, 77 out of the 7,200 dollar bid, 7,000 bid, 72. Somebody hand up in there, 72, 7,000 bid, 7,200 dollars, 72. Sold $7,000. 106, 106. Hey, you talk about a nice deal around me like it. You bet, 10 tons. Somebody want to give about 4,500, 45, 4,000, $4,000 bill. Somebody give 3 and we'll get in. 3, $3,000 bill. 3, 2, 25. Yes or no? Now 3, 3,000, 35, 35, 36, 7, 38, 37. I got 3,800. 37's a bid, 3,800 out of bid, 39, 3,900, 39,9, 4,000, 41, 41, 4,100, 41, 40, 42, 42 and 3, 4,300, wires from a speaker, Ryan, 43, 43, can't tell, did you sir, 44, 4,500, 45, 46, 47, 47, 4,600 of God, 7, 7 out of the 7, 47, 4,600 of God, 7, 7 out of the 7, 4,700, 46 of God, 47, 7 out of the 7, 1, 4,700, 46 and 7, 46 of God, 7, 7 out of the 7, sold $4,600. Thank you, sir. Buyer number 80. I may have to borrow that one day. Hey, we got some extra parts there, bolts. Yeah. He right there on the tether, right there on the tether. Somebody get 15, get 2,000. $2,000 bill, $2,000 bill, somebody get 1,500. Come on, you can do that. 1,500, 1,11. Yes or no? 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 221, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 88, 28, and 79.
You tell me that.
$3,000 bill, 3, 30, 102, 32,
He yells at me though.
33, 34, 35, 600, 36, and 35. Now, Ryan, 35, 36. 35 I got, $3,600, 5, 7, 38, 38, 39, 9, 4,000, 41, 42, 42, 41, and 4,200. 42, 43, 44, 44, 43, $4,300, 43, $4,400 bid. So $4,300 right here, put it on number 39. Number 39.
Good tank. I don't see the bottom of it.
Yeah, look at the bottom of that tank. Yeah. Good tub right there, boys. Somebody get 100. $100 bid. Somebody get that tank. $50, $35, somebody get 25. $25, somebody get 10. 10 better, 10, somebody get $10 on the big tank.
We're in Middletown, Maryland.
$15 bid, sold $10. 77, yes sir, 77. Question 13, 63, on a line. Tell you what, we didn't get the picture or nothing like that. She said it's A-okay. Yep, everything's okay here. Somebody get 10. $10,000 bill. 10, 8,000. It's not where we start, it's where we stop the counts. Will somebody give me 5 to get in? 5,000. 5,000. 5, 6. I'm going to get 5, 6, yes or no? I'm going to get 6,000. I got 6,000 out of there. I'm going to 6. 5,000 there, 6,000 out of there. I'm going to get 6,000 out of there. 6, 7, 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 8,000, 9,000, She did 8,500, sir. 8,000, 85. 80 got 5, 8,000, 8,000, $8,000 there, 8,500 out of 85, 8,500, 8,000 there, 5,585, 8,000 there, 85, 8,085, try it again, 85. 85, everybody else, $8,000 there, 5,585. Sold at $8,000 bill, put on 92, 92. Action rate. Look at that with a big fella. Yeah, somebody get 4,000. Somebody get $4,000. Somebody get $3,000 bill, 2,500. You all get in there, 25,700. 2,500, yes or no, 27. 25 got 7 out 3. 332, 3,500, 3,700, 35, 4,000, 4,200, 4,500. 45, 47, 7 of the 7, 4,500 got 7, 7 of the 7, 47, 4,500 got 47, 7 of the 46, 4,500 got 4,600, 4,500 46, 4,500 got 4,600, 4,500, 4,600. So right back here, $4,500, 107, isn't it? 107. You talk about a John Deere batwing, HX15. You can see it's in A1 shape. Somebody give about 10. Take 8,000. Somebody give 8, 7. All right, 5 to get in. Now 6. Yes or no? 7, 8, 9, 10,000. 9,500. 9,000 bid. 95. 9,000 bid, 95, 9,000 God, 95, 9,000 bid, 9,500, 9,000 bid, 95, now 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 11,000, 11,000, 11,000. Hey, we'll find one of these 11,000, 10, 5, 11, 10, 5, God, $11,000, 10, 5, 11,000. 10, 5, 10, 7, 10, 7, help you, 10, 7, 10, 5, 7, 10, 5, 10,000, 7, 10,000, 5, God, 10, 7, 7, 10, 7, show 10, 5, put on 92, 92. You talk about a nice New Holland 565 square baler. Yeah. Here's the remote to the kicker back there. It's all right here. You can start this turn. Well, that's exactly right. Yep, thank you. Somebody get 5,000 on this baler. $5,000 bid, $5,000. Somebody get 3 and let's go. 3,000. 3,000.
Behind you.
3, 35. 3,000 in, 3,500. 35, 4,000. 4,500. 5,000. 55. 55. I got 5,000. 52. 55. 5,200. 5,500. I got 52. 52. 5. 57. 57. 6,000. 6,000. 62. 6,500. 6,500. 65, 67, 7,000, 7,000. It's A1 ready to go in the field. 7,000. Lasting for a lot of years. 7,000. 67 got 7. 7 of the 7. 7,000 of the 6,700 got 7. 67 got 7. 7 of the 7. 7 of the 7 7,000. 6,700 got 7. 7 of the 7 7. 7 of the 7 of the 67. 7 of the try again 7. 7,000 of the 7. 7 of the 7 7. All done. 6,700 of the 7. 7 of the 7 7. 7 of the 7 of the 7. 67. $6,500, number 92. Hey, and let's see, the monitor, where's it at? Oh, okay, thank you. Yep, right there. And there's a new shaft there to it. It's got 6,400 bales on it. And,
there, Wendell.
We're going to try to keep going, guys. My signal's getting a little weak, but we're going to try to keep going.
hey, I don't know what else to tell you about it, but I'd like to have about 18,000. 15, 10, 11, 10,000, 11,000. 10, 11, $10,000 bid, $11,000 bid, 10, 11, 10,000, 5, 10,005, $10,000, 10,500, 10,005, 11,000, 11,000, 10, 5 a bid, 11, $11,000 bid, 10, 5, 11, 10, 5, 11. Hey, better here, 10, 5, 11, 10, 5 God, $11,000 bill, 11,5, 11,5. 11.5, now 12, 12.5, 12.5, 13,000, 13.5, 13.5, 13.5, 13.250 now 13.5, 13.5. I got 13, 2.5, 5, 7.5, 13, 7.5. Now 14,000, 14, 2.5, 14, 2.5. 14 I got, 2.5.
Hey, I thank you, Wendell.
14, 2, you got thank you. 14, 2.5. 14,000 I got, 250. 14, 2.5. 14,000 I got, 250. 14, 2.5. 14, 2.5. 14,250. Sold $14,000 to number 77. 77. That's it. Yes, sir. Hey, on this tent no bones with lawn sprayer. Hey, I don't know. That thing looks like it's hardly ever been used. Somebody get 2,000?
Damco sprayer.
2,000, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. Somebody get 1,000. $1,000. I got 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, and 11. 1,000 to God, 1,100 out of it, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 2,000. Still better here, 19 and 2. 19 to God, have you priced these things too? 19 and 2. 1,900 to God, $2,000, 19 and 2. 1,900 by $2,000, 21. 2,100, 2,100, 21, 2,000 bid 21, 21, 2,000 bid 21, 2,000 bid 2,100 got a bid 21, 2,021, 2,021. So $2,000 is staying in Middletown. 114, 114. Yeah. Headlock feeder wagon.
Headlock feeder.
Somebody get $2,500. Somebody get 2,000. 2,000, 1,500.
Like we haven't been for 5.
1,000 got 11.
Okay.
1,000 bid 11. Yes, sir.
I'm
1,200.
gonna close
13.
out. Thank you so much for all the
14,
likes and the
15,
support.
16,
Really
17,
appreciate it.
18,
Catch us live
17,
again.
18, 17 to God, 18, 19,
Yep.
19, 1,900, 19 right, 18, 19, I'm over here. Now 2,000, 21, 22, 23, 23, 22, 23. 2,200 to God, 23, $2,200, 3, 4, 25, 2,500, 5, 6, 27, 27, 7, 6, 7, $2,600, 7, 2,600 got my way, 27, $2,600 got 7, 7, 7, 20, 27, 2,800, 29, 3,000, 3,031, 3,200, 3,200, 3,300, 33,400, 3,400, 33 I got, 34, 35, 35, 36, 3,600, 35, 36, 35, don't jump off there unless you mean it. 35, 3,600, 3,600 bid. Sold $3,500. Number 115. Folks, before I forget it, November the 16th, we'll be up in Washington County for the big farm sale. 8 tractors, telehandlers, skid loaders, a lot of hay equipment, and we'll be putting up a 450-acre farm with a feeding operation on it. Yep, up for sale. Hey, nice feeder wagon here. Somebody get 2,000. You don't have to have headlocks if you've got change, you can change it. But I'd take 1,000 just to get it started. Might as well. You're going to do more than that to get it. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. My way. 9,000. 900 to go. $1,000 bill. 9,000. 900 bid. 1,000 bid. 9,000 bid. 9's a bid. $1,000 bill. 900 to go. $1,000 bid. 9,000. 9,000 bid. 9,000. Now 11. 1,000 bid. 11,000 bid. 1,100 bid. 10, 11, 10, 1,000 bid. 11. All done, huh? 10, 50. 1,000 bid, $50 bid, 1,000 got 50, it's your way, Ryan, 1,000 got 50, 1,000 bid, 50, 1,000 bid, 50, 1,000 bid, 50. I'm 1,000, you want to be 50? 1,050, 1,100, 1,150, 1,150, 1,100, your way, Ryan, 1,100.
123.
123, round corner.
Hey, Josie, nice to see you.
So you got John Deere. I think it's a 660. Yep, John Deere 660.
I heard somebody gave you bad info.
What?
On time, anyways.
Well, I said after 11.
$15,000. $1,000 bill, $1,000, 500, 600, yes or no? 5 to got 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9,000 bid, 11 bid, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 15, 16, 1,600, 15 and 16, 16, 1,500 to got 16. 16, 1,500, $1,600 bid, 16, 1,500 to got $1,600 bid, 16, 16. So $1,500, put that on number 38. Buyer number 38, little spin cedar right there. Somebody get 200. Somebody give 100. $100 bid, $100 bid, $100 bid, $100. Somebody get 50, 60, 50, $60 bid, 60, 50 got 60. $60 bid, 60, 50 got $60 bid, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90 and 100, 110, 120, 120, 10 and 20, 20, sold $110, put that on number 21.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.